Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Wednesday, May 20th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. So we got a little bit more details about what kind of payment you're going to have towards the farmer, and it sounds like you're going to take the lower amount for your core corn, beans, wheat, the lower amount of half of your production on the year, or your inventory January 15th. And then you take that number times that by 0.5 and then take that amount towards the payment rate. So it sounds like those payments might be a little bit smaller than anticipated, but nonetheless a very much needed source of income towards some of these unpriced bushels that are really struggling, especially for corn market right now. So that was nice to see. Our big fear is when we have had payments from the government to farmers, futures markets have found a way to give it back. So starting to slide and take that away from the farmer, and that just due to the fact that you have that flush of income coming towards the farmer, and a farmer saying, hey, I'm going to sell this grain, put, for example, 67 cents or 65 cents for corn towards it, and say, that's it, I'm going to sell my grain. And that's where you find that selling pressure. Both times that happened, you had higher market prices. So it'll be interesting to see how we move along. But for now, corn market is holding a support line, and that'll be the big question moving forward. So down a penny and 3/4 on the day for front months, deferred contracts slightly higher. When you look at soybeans up 4.5, wheat complex really led the way higher here today, though did close a little bit off of their highs, up 11 to 13 cents across the board. When you flip over to meat markets, lower trade here in live cattle, feeder cattle quite a bit lower, almost $3 lower, and then hog market were mixed. Outside markets were favorable, so we could have seen that help support these markets as well. But really what you're looking is the demand side, and just continuing to watch this weather and see, what do we have for a stall out on planting. That could be why the support was coming in the wheat complex, with Minneapolis wheat leading the way. And then also the bean market saying, are you going to have some issues moving forward with some wetter conditions? It looks like for the most of the Corn Belt, you're looking for wet and hot for the extended forecast here. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading in futures and option involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great day.